and there's one particular sound we're listening for. In amongst the sounds of leaves being cut and ant footsteps is a high-pitched chirp. This is stridulation, a sound the ants make by rubbing two sections of their abdomen together. Oh, that little chirp?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. So they're making this sound, but it's part of a group of sounds that they make, these stridulation sounds.
That little chirping noise is a recruitment signal. The more nutritious a leaf is, the more the ant makes this noise, sending a cascade of vibrations through the plant. And this draws other ants to the tastiest part